Find the binding energy per nucleon for tin with nuclear mass 120. Mass of proton is given 1.00783 Dalton. Mass of neutron as 1.00867 Dalton, and mass of tin nucleus as 119.902199 Dalton. And we take 1 Dalton as 931 mega electron volts. So the binding energy is given by delta mc square, which is delta m into 931. The change in mass is equal to mass of the protons plus mass of the neutrons minus the mass of the nucleus, which is 120.9984 minus 119.902199 Dalton, which is 1.0962 Dalton. So the binding energy is 1.0962 into 931, which gives us 1020.5622 mega electron volts. Therefore, the binding energy per nucleon is roughly 1020.5622 divided by 120, which is roughly 8.5 mega electron volts. So the correct answer is option 4.